Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove rust on an auto or any other rusty metal with Rust-Oleum Crud Cutter, the must for rust. So basically this stuff is really excellent. All you do is apply it on the rusty area, and in about 30 minutes it starts dissolving and getting rid of the rust. So we are going to try it out right here with this crud cutter on the vehicle. Now it says you should apply it by brush or wiping it on or dabbing it on, so we're going to use this little brush, kind of dab it on here. Now it's important to note that before you do anything, you're supposed to prep the area, which I have already done. Basically it just involves washing it so that you get all of the grease and grime and any dirt, that kind of stuff, off. And then you can treat it with this stuff, and we will let it sit for about a half an hour and see what it looks like when we return. So here we go, half hour starts now. Okay, here we are. It's been about a half an hour, and as you can see, the rust has dissolved and gone away significantly. Another thing you can do to help it out a little bit is to get a clean cloth and just kind of rub it off even more. You can also get a little water and scrub it down with a little water to help remove that rust. You can see here, this is coming off, but it would be better with a little bit of water. But it's significantly different. The rust is gone, and it didn't turn it black or anything like that. It's now a nice silver color. It just dissolved the rust, didn't really put any color there. If you need to do like in these areas here where it's a little deeper rust, you can put in another couple applications, and that will really help remove the rust. But for one application with a little rag and wiping it down, it's significantly better than it was. So that is how you can use the Crud Cutter Rust-Oleum rust remover to remove rust on your metal or vehicle or wherever you need to. I hope you liked this video. Hope you also subscribe to the channel, and if you feel so inclined, use those donate links below.